With the growing calls to reduce carbon emissions from businesses and organizations, developed entities are progressively aligning their buildings and workspaces with environmentally friendly practices. This warehouse at the logistics center of the International Committee of the Red Cross, for example, uses green technologies to cut the organization's carbon footprint. The structure prioritizes the elimination of energy wastages through the adoption of natural cooling technologies as well as inverter-type air conditioners.
The new inverter-type air conditioning units basically use new gases which have way less impact on the environment in terms of carbon emissions and effect on the ozone layer.
The warehouse provides storage for medical supplies destined for humanitarian support in conflict areas in Africa, hence the need for low temperatures. ICRC is looking to achieve that with minimal energy wastage.
They also reduce a lot less energy basically because they have inbuilt, they're called inverter types because they use a lot less energy basically. They're normal air conditioning units, yeah. So it's just the amount of energy that that unit is drawing from the grid or from your power source.
Popat says ICRC is committed to ensuring its structures and operations do not harm the environment. The organization that renders humanitarian services to conflict areas has also installed green power mini grids.
We have a microgrid. So that we basically have solar panels on the building behind us, and what the microgrid does is it controls the amount of power we're receiving from the solar panels and what we're getting from the grid basically. And the microgrid has batteries inside, so we can store that power as well as use it straight away.
Powered by solar panels, the grids use batteries and backup generators to provide electricity independent of the main national grids. ICRC says going green has already cut electricity consumption by more than 40% and brought down the organization's carbon emission. Kenya is meanwhile encouraging private investment in low carbon technologies even as the battle against climate change rages on. Enoch Sikoli, CGTN.